Hey Terry, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over the business's online presence. And the first thing that I see here is that it's a really good site. They did a really good job visually. It's good to have these form submits, helps with some conversion. Something I would recommend is having more content on your homepage. And the reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. So they are looking through all this content here, and they're searching for what's called keywords. And you need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. So an example of a keyword would be Waterproofing Contractors Kansas City. And so the first thing that pops up here is what's called the map pack section. And you want to be in the top 3 section here because 30 to 40% of business goes here. And the way to outrank all the other businesses here would be to have the most citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And you want to have a good amount of 5-star reviews and photos. And if we scroll down here, this section here is the organic listing. And this is where your website ranks here. And so you really want to be in the top 3 here, just because the rest of that 60 to 70% goes into this section. And a lot of people don't scroll down, let alone go to the second page here. So let's take a look at this top listing here. KC Waterproofing. So they have these call to actions, which are really good for the conversion. They also do not have enough content either. So let's take a look at the back end of their website. I have KC Waterproofing plugged into Ahrefs. And these ratings here are from Google, the UR and the DR. This is just trust factor and the authority of the website. And what makes up these numbers here are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And what a backlink is it's just one website linking to another one, just like a shout out. But something to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So some are spammy, and then other ones can bring up these numbers here. So let's take a look. So here's your website, and the ratings are 26 and 8, which come from 487 backlinks from 99 referring domains. And so what we want to do is get some more backlinks here to get these numbers pulled up. So if we take a look, one way that we can get your numbers up here are going into these backlinks here that are good quality and adding them to yours. And if we take a look at their organic keywords, this is where some of their traffic is coming from. Let's see, basement waterproofing, 150 people are searching for, leveling, 150. So there are a lot of searches in your area for some of the services that you do. And so the way to get some of this traffic would be to add those citations to your Google business profile and make sure that you're outranking those other companies with the citations, the photos, and the reviews. And then you want to make sure that with your website, you're getting some more good quality backlinks, adding some content and embedding those keywords in that content so that those people, you're getting those eyes on your website, and then they are converting to your customers. And if you ever need any help with this, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.